Alright, here's another one on the 5 minute. We're just all really relaxed because we have this here being the closure. If you look over here on the closure, we closed above this POI right here. So look at the finger right there. That's the POI. And look at where we are on the 5 minute. Oops. Right there, we're lined up. So right there, that's the closure on the 5 minute, and this is our POI. So right there and right there. Here's the POI. And then we closed on this candle here. And let's draw out the indication and stuff. So very simply, this is just our indication, this is our correction, and this is our continuation. And you might be wondering why the continuation is so small, because really we ended it here, right? Boom, boom, boom. And that's all we needed for the continuation to be, because this acts like almost like a liquidity magnet, doesn't it? So we're really actually taking right after Crimson Capital. So this is our indication, indication. So if we keep our eye here, as we slide this up, indication to the top, and correction to the bottom here. We're both following this finger and this 5 minute thing, and then a little tiny correction or continuation. Follow that. Follow both this up here and follow this down here. We're really not asking for much of a continuation, are we? We're really just using this draw on magnet liquidity, what Crimson Capital calls strong liquidity, this magnet, and our magnet is built right in because our continuation needs to be only so small. Here, watch. We draw our indication. Our correction is all the way down here, which is basically a turtle soup, isn't it? Let's see. No, it's almost a turtle soup. It's right to the bottom. And our stop is so relaxed that we actually did not get stopped out. And then our tiny little continuation only needed to get to there. That's all it needed to be. Didn't need to be more than this when our correction is so big and our indication is so big. But if we just take a tiny little continuation, we're really not asking for much, and that margin of error is so cool that we just get it. And it's actually even a 1.6, which pays for the commission and the question of we're trading on the 15-second, and this is all of 4.3 pips. But because our RR is 1.66, it really actually just pays for the commission and the spread. So we're actually all right. And the good thing about this is, since we're on the 15-second and all of these candles happen within 5 minutes, then we're going to get lots of opportunities. We could be trading a ton of these, and it's just a matter of taking a very small look at the proportions of the continuation we're taking. So tiny that makes our stop relaxed. We did not get stopped out, even though it is almost like a turtle soup. And then our continuation is so small that we just get it.